Alright guys, alright, so what you get with a cordless impact wrench, just get actually delivered today. Okay. Pair of gloves. This is what we all laughed around with. This is the one. You get one battery with it, 21 volt. And let me see what we have in here. Rolls, beds, and okay, and then we have sockets. Alright, so this is actually used for the bits there. Does this go? Yeah, this also goes in there. Cool. Then you have the sockets. What's this there? 40 mil. Another one. Can't pick it up on the camera. It's a 19 mil. So without blurring. 19 mil. Like a washer, sealer. I think this is what you slide over the socket, but it looks over. To stop the pen, because you get a pen with it as well. Like a spacer which presumably goes into that hole there. Slides in there, and then right through. Lift this out. Put it all there. So it comes with, what size is this? This is a 17 mil. So some wheel nuts of the car is a 17 mil. There we go. Good. This is good size. This is at 22 mil. So the camera is just crap today. 22 mil. Then a user manual, and you also get a one here where you can scan a barcode and then basically telling you how to set up the impact wrench. So yeah, we have a look at how it works. Right, so I just plug the battery in, so let's just see, there you go. And you have the setups down here as well, so at the moment it shows medium. I know it's quite really small print. So now up it's high, medium, but you have to pull in the button here to get the battery or the speed or whatever to set up. It's a bit annoying. Why is it doing that? It's supposed to just buy the... Anyway, so that's what you get for £29 on Amazon plus £10 delivery, and it took about a week to get delivered to me. Just thought if you guys are interested in getting yourself one. Yes, it's great. I did well, I'm going to actually give it a go on a car to see if it will remove the wheel nuts, rather than use a manual wrench. This also looks quite cool. Look at that. So I guess you... Anyway, let me have a look at these bits first. So I'm just holding the pen underneath my finger here, but so I've got a socket on, as you can see, and then you slide the pen in, so you have to keep your finger underneath it, and then you push the sealer over, and then that will stop the pen from falling out, and that is basically how it locks in into the wrench then. Like that. And you also get this advanced lubricant with it. Yeah, that's what you'll get for it. Cool. And yeah. Guys, look out for the following video where we will test the impact wrench on a Corsa and see how this tool performs. Please follow me, like and subscribe to the channel. And hit the notification bell. Thank you all for watching. Take care, guys.